Hey boo, today I am revealing my top 3 home remedies that I use for a younger looking face. Especially with women like you. In this video, I'm sharing 3 treatments you can safely do at home, and they are super effective. As a licensed esthetician myself, I will always advocate to see professionals, so this isn't meant to exclusively exclude or replace professional help. We definitely need professional beauty services. They have been trained and they have access to things that we don't. We definitely cannot DIY everything, but you certainly need these type of videos because home care matters the most. I can give you a facial, but it's the aftercare that you do at home that truly matters. That is what will ultimately determine what type of outcome you have. It's just like if you were working with a professional trainer every day for an hour. Once you leave that trainer, if you get home, you eat like crap, you don't drink water, you don't get sleep, what you do with the trainer is not going to matter. So even if you do plan on getting cosmetic work done, or you definitely want to focus on non-invasive beauty treatments like me, this video will help prevent and maintain. These treatments will have your face looking so much younger, especially when combined with other modalities. When we talk about a younger looking face, that can mean a lot of things. It can mean firmer, brighter, blemish free, lush and plush, but specifically for today, we are focusing on things you could do at home to make the skin look very smooth, tight, and ironed out. The most popular treatment is red light therapy. This is the one that I use. It's good for targeting specific areas. It's lightweight, travel friendly. It offers a very gentle massage. The head on it swivels. It's easy to use, safe, it's timed so you can't overuse it. It automatically cuts off. And I try my best to use this every single day. And I say try my best because it's pretty exhausting to use this all over your whole face every single day. Like I said, it's best for targeting. I use it to target my hairline and different types of blemishes on the face. But once I get me a mask that I can just pop on, oh trust, I will be using red light therapy every single day. Another super effective tightening treatment is microneedling. Before microneedling, I always start with my Avo Cosmetics Clarifying Cleanser. This is step 1 in my 4-step Clear Skin Kit. The Clear Skin Kit was designed by me in order to take the guesswork out of a good skincare routine. The clarifying cleanser is detoxifying. It's going to clean your face, your pores, no bacteria, which is really important in microneedling because you don't want any bacteria on the skin. This is the microneedle that I trust for my face. I trust the needles. I trust the depth. It has not done me dirty, and it works by puncturing a lot of little holes in the skin, which will trigger your body's natural healing response. Microneedling is also great for a deeper product penetration. Optimal time to use all of your healing products so they can sink really deep. Nothing aggressive during this time, just like your super hydrating serums, your growth factors. I personally save my growth factors for the next day. The next day, the skin is still in healing mode, so I'm still getting the benefits. I use this one by Dr. Jart. If I'm not too lazy, after I microneedle on day 1, I will go in with the red light therapy. Using red light therapy after any damage is extremely beneficial. If you use red light after you have microneedled, gotten a chemical peel, done extraction, not only will you expedite the healing process, but you will get a beautiful healed result. We all know that every scar don't heal the same. Some scars heal beautifully and some scars don't. So after you've done things like microneedle, you always want to make sure that you are nurturing the skin and babying it so that you can have a beautiful result in the end, because actually what you're doing is you're healing it. You have been chemically burned with a chemical peel and you're getting holes stuck in your face with a microneedle. So you want those things to heal beautifully, and you do that with lots of nurturing to your skin. So after you microneedle and you do your red light therapy, girl, throw on your sheet mask, and I'm telling you, man, the results that you will get. The one by SK2 I absolutely love. It's a full bottle of serum in each mask, and it's so hydrating. Like, you can't help but to look plump and full and firmer after you have used that mask. It stays on by itself, but sometimes if I'm doing the most, I will like secure it with this. This is a silicone mask, and it's good for like securing your sheet mask, and it's also good to just like pop on after you've done all your skincare so that you can keep it locked in for a little bit longer. But girl, yes, I'm telling you, the micro needle, red light, and then the sheet mask, powerhouse. Now this one has to be my favorite. Now taping must be done on 100% healthy skin. You cannot tape over a bump. You cannot tape over freshly micro needled skin or a fresh chemical peel. Nothing. Like, you have to be 100% intact. And the more you get used to this on the skin, the longer you can wear it. And you just lightly pull the skin taut, apply the tape. Don't pull the actual tape because you don't want it to scrunch or recoil. It works by getting the skin as smooth as possible and then taping that down. After the tape is on, you can massage the skin for a little while, and when you take it off, the lines are gone. It's literally magic. This adds volume back to the face on places where it has just sunken in. I use tape like the night before a big event, or just like when I'm so tired of looking at the line. I can't take it no more. Tape me up. Disclaimer now, okay? All, and I repeat, all surgery, natural, it don't matter. All beauty treatments are temporary. And I say that to say that these are things that I do all of the time. Because you're going to use it and you're going to be like, oh, it worked. Yeah. And the moment that you stop, your results will eventually leave. So you have to do these things on a continuous basis in order to get results and keep the results. If you enjoyed today's video, be sure to join my free VIP beauty community. It's all about beauty, makeup, skincare, and fashion, and it is me, KiKi Carr, in your DM, giving you all of the tea on what's hot, what's not, what to do, what to use, what to skip, because it is my job to keep you looking good, and that's exactly what I'm gonna do. In the meantime, click like, click share, click subscribe, duh, and I'll be sure to see you on the next one. Mwah!
I've been losing friends and finding peace. Honestly, that sound like